how to play YouTube video one after another. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you play YouTube videos one after another. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application YouTube with your account. Alright, so after you open the YouTube, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to choose your desired YouTube video. So I will choose this one. Okay, so now from here, to turn on the features like you want to play YouTube videos one after another. So for that, you'll have to turn on this feature autoplay. So you'll get this option at the top of your screen. So simply it will indicate with the music icon. So from here you'll have to turn on this feature. So after you turn on this feature, from here you'll be able to play YouTube videos one after another. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.